Minecraft, but I don't stop the recording until I find diamonds. So this video will be no editing, no special effects, and no music. So please kindly like and subscribe and enjoy the video. So I'm just gonna go to settings and so guys, don't mind the chicken in the background. So I already I already get some stuff for my mining, but I didn't get coal. There's no coal in my chest, so I need to find coal. I need to find coal right now. Maybe I get all the coal. Oh, there. Because I don't have lights, so please, yes. I need many coal. Is this enough? Not, maybe not. So I need to find more. Oh, there. I need to be quick, because maybe this video will be so long. There's one more over here. Guys, don't mind the chicken, the background. The chicken is so annoying. Maybe this is enough. It's gonna be night soon. Where's the sun? Okay. I need to craft this thing. Where's the... Okay. Need more. I need more. I only need 1 diamond, so I will end up this video. Only 1 diamond. So there's a cave over here. There's zombies. Okay, not that cave. Wait. Get out. Let's get this. So I need to find a cave right now. Wait. Is that a cave? Yes, it's it. Oh, there's a cave over here. I am scared of caves, so... Oh no. I hate zombies. Where should I go? This way or that way? Oh, that sound is spooky. I heard skeleton. Oh, that's my house over there. Oh, no, 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 no. I hate it. I hate it. No, no. I'm not good at fighting some monsters, so I'm not good at it. I need to find another cave. Not here, so let's find over here. Maybe this one? My phone is lagging. Need to find a cave. Oh, my phone is lagging. I put too much George not found videos in my phone, so that's why it's lagging. My phone is lagging. Oh yo. I hope the video will not end my record. I hope my recording will not end because it's lagging. Is this a cave? I need to mine down there. Ooh. It's a cave. Oh, no! Oh. I thought I almost died there. Is this a cave? Oh, it's not a cave. There's the entrance. Oh, wait. Oh, shoot. No. No. I hate creepers. Like, get out. Like, oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh. Okay, let's mine over here. I don't wanna fight some deadly monsters. There's a zombie. So dark. Is there a monster? No. It's 6 minutes, right? It's 6 minutes right now. I didn't find a diamond. My English is so bad. I'm a Filipino, okay? I'm learning English. Okay? There's no monsters. Iron! I found iron. Let's go this way. I hope there's a cave around here. There's no mobs. So low. What is this? Need to go down. There's no people. It's been 8 minutes. I didn't find diamonds. So let's take. Oh, what's that? Is this a glitch? Oh, it's not a glitch. Just a glitch. Okay. Let's dig over. There's no cave. Wait, I heard a bat. Oh, a mob. I heard zombie. So maybe we're in a cave. I heard Enderman. The Enderman say, hey. Thank you. Okay, let's go here. I've heard so many zombies, so let's be ready. It's 10 minutes right now. I didn't find a diamond. There's a zombie here. It's so dark. Where is the cave? I need to find a cave. Wait. Oh. I'm in the... Where am I? Do I need to dig down? Maybe the cave is here. I think. It's so hard to find diamonds. Where are you, zombie? Where are you hiding? I'm scared because if I dig down, maybe I jump into a lava and I'm dead. This is so hard to mind. Where are you, zombies? I heard you. Where are you? Is this a cave or not? Oh. Oh my gosh, my inventory is so full. It's so full right now. Where are you now? So hard to mind. I heard skeleton. Where are you? Let's go over here. Where is this? I've been mining for how long now, so I hope I can find a cave. Let's go down. Where is this cave? My gosh. I'm close, am I? The zombie is near me, so where is the zombie? Oh, I thought that was a silverfish. I was scared. Oh my gosh. I'm tired. It's gravel. There's gold. Wait, there's gold. Guys. There's gold. Wait. There's gold. But I need to find diamonds. Wait. I'm full of inventory right now. I cannot get. Wait. Wait, let's mine over here. And put the stuff that I don't need. Wait. How to do it? Wait. Wait a minute. Okay. And I don't need this. Wait. I don't know how to. Okay, there we go. I don't need this. I don't need. That's all. Let's mine this gold. I have gold. Oh my gosh. I wish I put the title of this video a gold, not diamonds. So my phone is lagging. Okay, let's just mine. Let's use this. Oh, it's been day 2. Day 12 right now. Let's use this. My phone is lagging. Okay. I hope my recording it doesn't stop. Diamonds, diamonds. I need to find diamonds. Where are you, zombie? Like, you're so near to me. Like, where are you hiding? Where are you? Where are you? Okay. Wait. I'm gonna go around it, so I'm so tired right now. Where is this zombie? What was that? What is this? Okay. I will not speak until I find diamonds, okay? I don't have a word to say right now because I'm tired. So I will not speak until I find diamonds. What was that? I was shocked. Oh, no. No. I'm so tired. I didn't find any diamonds, guys. And I'm low. My torch is so small and I cannot fight those monsters. I'm scared of fighting. Jacqueline. No. No! Ikaw. Iyaw. Jacqueline. Jacqueline. Hmm. Hmm. I'm playing Minecraft, Jacqueline. No! No! Stop. Anhira ka diri kung gutomon ka, maanhira ka diri. Muuli. Is that a witch? Look at that stone over there. No! Jacqueline. Your feet is so dirty. No! I need to find a diamonds. Diamonds. Need to find a diamond. Need to find a diamond. I need to find a diamond. I need to find a diamond. Diamond. I'm so bored. I need to find diamond. Is that an Enderman? I'm hungry. Oh shoot. Look for the eye. Oh! Is that... I'm gonna kill the Enderman. I'm not looking into your eye. Yeah! You dropped nothing. Yay! There's no eye. Yay! So I'm here in a lava. So hopefully I can find some diamonds around here. There's no diamonds. It's not lava. Okay, let's mine over here. Digging, I'm digging, I'm digging. I need diamonds. I need diamonds. There's no diamonds. Is that a drowned? I heard a drowned. I need diamonds. There's no diamonds. So let's go up there. Okay. Is that gold? Oh, it's a water. It's so dark. Cannot see anything. Wait, there's iron. I need to craft something, so is this iron? Okay, I'm gonna craft wait, I need to throw that and make a crafting table. There you go. I have a crafting table. I need to make a chest right now. Okay. Oh, there's iron. I'm gonna put this and this one, and this one. I need to I need to make another pickaxe. I need to make a pickaxe, and I'm just gonna wait over here. Wait, is that a skeleton? I see a skeleton. It's not. Wait, is that coal? No, it's not. Oh, don't come here. I dare you. Do not come here. Stay there. It's 32 minutes and I didn't find any diamonds. I'm gonna get this and make another pickaxe. So I'm gonna go up or down. In the down. Okay, I'm gonna put the creeper into the lava. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna go there. I need to risk my life. Oh, wait, is that okay? Oh, shoot. No, don't come here. Ow. Oh, I'm low heart right now. I need to eat. I'm not good at this, guys, so I need to eat. I need to eat. They're fighting. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a redstone over there. I want to get it. Is that a potion right there? Is that a potion? They're fighting. Let's get the redstone because maybe the redstone is helpful. Okay, there's a redstone over there. If I die here, I'm gonna cry. Like if I died over here. No, 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 no. I see you, I see you. Don't you dare. Okay. I'm so scared over there. Shoot. Oh, ouch, ouch. No, 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 no. No, no. No, no. Oh my gosh. I died. No. So, please subscribe. That will be a lot to me, and I cannot believe I just died over there. I didn't find diamonds. Oh my gosh. My gosh.